Good evening, this is Tina. How are you doing today? We are still recording for another 2 hours. Then it's gonna be done. Okay, so anyway, this exercise is followed by my last video. Okay, we're gonna change our index dot where it is. Okay, index.js turn into a layout. Okay, best. Okay, so first, according to our last video, for one index.js, okay, we're gonna have a head, navigation, sidebar, carousel, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's do one by one. So it's better to organize your code and to separate the layout content, okay, and with other normal EJS files, because you will never in a routing, which is you will never, when a user make a request to us, right? You directly send a head EJS back or directly send a navigation.ejs back. They are not used to directly return to the browser. They are used to be included in other EJS files. Okay, they are called fragments. Okay, you can call any name you want for the package. Suppose here I call layout. Okay, I call layout or call layouts. Okay, let me change to another name. It's better to call layouts. Okay, because it contains a lot of files. Okay, it's multiple files, so we add a Perl. Okay, so the first one I will do is call head.ejs, and the content. What's the content? So let's do like this. Okay, this one always be on the right side. Okay, and this is our index. The head is this part. I will put this part to your here X, okay, into my head EJS. Okay, and here, so now my index, so if I do till this step, my index.js, it's not a valid HTML because it doesn't have HTML, it doesn't have the head. So we have to include this piece information into here. How to do? Okay, include and include. Currently I'm on index.js, right? How to find this one? We go inside the layout and then we layouts, then we using slash head.ejs. That's it. Then at the runtime, the EJS template engine will know how to copy this information and put it here. Okay, he will copy and put it here. Not give this information back to the browser. He will copy this thing, replace here at a runtime. So next one is for navigation. Okay, from here to here is our navigation information. So we cut. Okay, and then we create a new file called navigation.ejs. Okay, and we put it on this part. Okay, and this is also our fragments. After you cut, you will do exactly the same thing as you did for the head. We include this navigation here. It's called navigation.ejs. Okay, got it? And the next one is the sidebar. Sidebar is from here to here. Okay, so we will cut this part. And we create a new file called called Sidebar.ejs. Okay, then we will also move to this side. Okay, then we put it here, sidebar, and we will do exactly as we did before here, and put it here to call the sidebar, right? Sidebar.ejs. Okay, now we are done sidebar.ejs. The next thing we are gonna do is for the carousel. Let's take a look at the info width and where from where to where is the carousel. Okay, I think from here. Okay, 9. Okay, okay. So from here, from this carousel to this part, this is the carousel. Now first let's create a file called carousel.ejs. okay, and then let me put it on this side. Okay, then I will from this div, okay, this div, see this is opening tag, okay, opening tag, and this is a closing tag, cut. Okay, and then we put in the carousel.ejs. Then we will do exactly the same thing as we did before, and this part is carousel.ejs. okay, let me make sure I spell the exactly same. Okay, carousel, and then we go here, put carousel. Okay, good. Copy paste is better than typing. Okay, next one is the footer part, right? From here, they add this part we don't change. Okay, this part is this card, the item on this card. Later on we will add a product, then we display our real dynamic item here. Okay, this part is not a change, it's different. This is the main content. This content should be different from about, right? So now this part no change, and eventually is this part. Okay, footer, we add a end. You can also abstract the footer and the end. Okay, we just do an end. Okay, end.ejs. okay, end.ejs, what's the content is this part. Okay, okay, and then now let's do the exactly same as before. Okay, here is our end.ejs. okay, and Alt Shift F. Okay, so we are done. Okay, which is we turn our common files. Okay, which we turn our common files into a separate EJS file, and for index.ejs we just include them. Okay, we just include them. After we are done this step, let's test if everything works now. Okay, my server is still running. Let's do a test. Delete, clear all the cache in the browser, and then make a call. Oh, something doesn't work, right? Something doesn't work, which is I made the syntax wrong. Okay, because Java has this. Okay, I have to using this hyphen. Okay, hyphen and hyphen and hyphen. Okay, now let's do one more time. Everything works now. Okay, everything works now, and I want to show you one more thing. Okay, to do one more practice. Okay, close now, and let's take a look at this one. I want to do one thing is change this about into add products. Okay, so what do I change this one? I will change about to add a product. Okay, and then I'll change this navigation to admin. I think has an add product. Yes, this one, add product. Okay, admin has add product link. Okay, so when I click here, it's gonna handle and display add product HTML. See here, fresh add product HTML. Why? Let's take a look at. For add product, we have a leading admin. So in order to call add product, I have to use /admin /add product, right? So I have to change our navigation here to be /admin /add product. Okay, now let's go back. 3000, click add product. Okay, something crash. Okay, something crash, through error, no such file or directory, which means, here we are in our admin.js, we are returning this HTML, but inside our views there's no add product EJS. Instead, it only has what? It only has add product.ejs. To using any dynamic content, we have to using render this method. Okay, render. So we just add product. Okay, because it's here, it's add product is under views. Okay, so now let's take a look at here. We will see this page is not consistency with this home page, right? So now our task, okay, to do one more practice is to change the add product and to have the similar structure than our home page, okay, which has have what navigation bar, have this sidebar, have this carousel, have this footer. And for this item 1, we're gonna replace with this form. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. So let's start. We go to our admin.js. Sorry, not this one. View. Okay, add product.js, and we have to replace this piece of information with the header. Okay, so we have to using this one. We will include this piece of information, header first. Okay, let's include the header. What you can do is actually just a copy. Okay, copy this one and then put a header. And inside the body, first we will see navigation, right? This is our navigation. Okay, inside our body we will see navigation. So here we will see our navigation. Okay, let me check if the syntax is no, the structure is same as index. Okay, we have to follow the structure. Okay, here head, and inside the body we have include another easy thing. Okay, let me show you another easy way. Control A, Control C, and then Control V here. Okay, Control V here, and then this is my form. Cut. Okay, remove everything. Okay, so now currently my add product EJS should be exactly same as home. Let me demo to you. This is my home. Add product, something broke. Okay, let's take a look at which part is broke. I have to, don't worry, we can fix it. Let me comment this one. Okay, and let's take a look at. Okay, name is not found. Okay, this is because in our index.ejs, do you remember we have some dynamic content which is on the sidebar. This part is the dynamic content. Okay, but when I render this add product EJS, which is on admin, here I don't have a name variable. To solve that, we give a name. Suppose we call Josh. Okay, so on the home page, you will see Josh's shop. Let me change to be another one. Okay, let's here using Tina. Okay, on the home page you will see Josh, and on the add product you will see Tina's shop. So now the problem is we just change this part to be our form. then it's gonna be done, right? So we go back to add product.js, then we change this piece. Okay. After you remove, let's take a look at. Let me show you after you remove. This is add product. After you remove, it's gonna become like this. So we add our form here. Div class, which is 12. Okay. 12. And this is my form. Okay, I copied. Okay, from previous add product.js. Now let's go back, and you will see a form here. And if I go to home page, I changed it in wrong place. Did I change it in wrong place? Okay. If I go to home page, we will see this card. If I go to add product, you will see this one. Why it doesn't work? Because I forgot to change here navigation. And for the home, the UI should be slash. Okay, after I change it to slash, then go back and start from here. Okay, this is the home page. It's a product, and go to add product. We see this form, right? Then I click this one again. You will see that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, good. So this is how we do for the layouts introduction, and we did a practice on 2 pages. One is index.js, okay, and another one is add product.js. You can copy from existing one, then change the part you need to change. Okay, this style is a little bit ugly. Let me see if it's gonna be a little bit better. Not a bit. Okay, just let's just skip about it. Okay, so that's it for this exercise. I hope after you can slowly follow the instruction, because my the layout I choose contains lots of the piece of information, so it's kind of like a little bit probably too confusing. But if you follow the step I think you can reach the result as I show you now. Okay, so if you still have a question, you can leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.